It's my ball. It's a foul. Ow. It's a foul. That's a foul. Whoa. Ref, it's a foul. No, Summer, it's a foul. No, it's a foul. It's my free kick. You can go make a wall. Move the camera. Go there.
This is the first time we've been over this. I've never seen someone really excellent.
I'm gonna score. Summer.
Sweating.
How to get
The
you
next
ready?
one, I never understood that one.
Oh. Let's go.
Do you want to
Let's go. Soon. 1-0. Oh, she's giving language. Where's the yellow card, ref? Yeah. Yeah, you're giving language now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh. It's another foul. It's a free kick. It was your kickoff. You turned it over. Not my fault. Not my fault. I free. I don't know what you're thinking of trying to push me. What's the second time? Oh. I'm gonna score. I'm gonna score. Come on. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Sir. Yeah. Oh, what's that score? 2-0. What are you gonna do? You're gonna punch me? What's that score? 2-0. Come on. Show up.
Oh, actually, Ted.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Oh, hi, high five. Oh, good girl. It's your free. You start. Here. Get the try under.
Done and done.
Okay.
Perfect.
Ready? Come on.
Introduce you all. Leaving which with one. Anything else?
Ready?
How much of the club?
Oh,
2.9%.
oh.
I'm gonna round that down.
Oh. Get over the ball. Come get it. Yeah. Oh.
Alright, I'll leave you take it.
Summer, it's your ball. Here, come on.
I've always found
It's your ball.
product.
You're fine, I'll take it. I'll take it.
I've been finding good opportunities.
Right, we'll do 2 beats, okay? 2 beats. 1, 2. Through. Through.
Alright, so
I'm
I'm
offside, Anna. Come on, Summer. Come on, Summer. 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 I guess it's half time. Half number 2. Come on, you're start. You start. Okay,
So what is your fucking problem, boy?
Oh, okay, so you want me to run away, huh?
So do I.
Are you moving? I got you. Oh. Oh, Summer, come on. Play the game.
But when it's all done, I feel like shit. Exactly. I always end up with my watch being stolen or a story in the press about how my penis has a curve.
Ready?
Anyway, the point is,
Oh, what you doing? You're stepping on the wrong part of the pitch.
I should have told you that. I apologise.
Oh. No! It's still too wide. But I can't shoot, so you're lucky. The second half, anyway. Oh no, that's
I
out.
slept with James
It's my ball. It's my ball.
last night. I didn't think he were into me. I didn't know what he wanted, and I knew exactly what he wanted.
Oh, give me.
Right, she fucked him to get back at me, something I didn't even know I did.
No, no. Yes. I fucked up for it.
It's fast. Yeah.
I need you to
No.
get this.
There is no way that I missed. So I just missed open goal. I bad. I missed open goal. I'm gonna push the triangle out in front. Let's go. Long shot. Oh. No. Oh.
Alright.
No. Come on. Come on. You got this. You're almost there.
Something on your mind? Go on.
Let's go. Come on.
You are thinking about buying your first house.
Oh.
You just
Good
realized
man.
that might be on.
Someone, come on.
6 feet in front of
Summer.
comes my dad to the
The free goal. She's going off the pitch. She's going off the pitch. What do I do?
Johnny's fucking tough.
Summer. That's 3-0.
Second place.
Didn't show up today. Summer, it's your ball.
Swimsuit look at me.
My face
It's your ball. It's her ball.
You're not finished.
Summer, it's your ball. Woohoo!
And that's not okay.
Yeah, now you're back talking. Oh, hey, I got that one. Hey,
Talking on video.
give her the yellow card again.
Yellow card.
Oh, that's all the ball.
You got a yellow card? Where's my red card?
Oh,
You're in trouble.
Oh,
Get out.
yeah. Get
gone
out,
the wrong
Summer.
way.
Yeah, you're scared of that way. Ah, run back to your change room. Run back to your change room.
Card.
Red card, you're done
Red
for the
card.
game. It was 3-0 anyway because you ran off the field and I got a free goal. Yeah, now you're scared. Now you're scared. Oh yeah, what happened? What happened? Exactly, that's game. No.